One of the biggest problems of developers across India is in dealing with government authorities and getting approvals for their projects. The process can take from months to years, is non-transparent and leaves the entire process very prone to corruption. But the BMC in Mumbai is determined to change that by taking the entire process online, a move that has benefits for both developers and also, more importantly, for home buyers. Ashwini Priolkar joins us with this story.
The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, or the BMC, has taken a lead in the ease of doing business process. From 15th of May 2016, the BMC is not accepting a single building proposal offline. This is said to bring a lot of transparency into the system, which is notorious for its red tape and corruption.
BMC, the first authority in India, is the first to really make this system, has taken the efforts to make it online. It's a technology. So infusion of technology always improves efficiency. Efficiency in terms improves the overall perspective. It benefits all the stakeholders.
So what are some of the key features of the BMC's Auto DCR system? It has integrated 14 departments into the online system. Applications for all types of proposals are now under single window system. Number of days required for approvals have been reduced from 1 year to 60 days. All under construction buildings will be mapped using GIS system. For ease of approvals, even departments other than MCGM will be integrated into the system. Moreover, there is also a citizen search option through which citizens can keep tabs on the approvals granted for their projects.
In the entire system, the facility for citizen search is available, and any citizen without having any login ID or password, they can definitely get the information about the proposal based on the search parameters on website and online. So they can track their proposal. Even they will be able to track the stage of the proposal as well as the approvals which are granted by the corporation.
In its ongoing activities, the BMC also plans to rate the developers as well as the architects based on their track record. This is set to help the home buyers in choosing from the best. All these features are set to reduce the time and money involved in the approval process. Developer community has already welcomed the step by the BMC, but will these benefits get transmitted to the end user?
We've always maintained that if you really want affordable housing, we need volumes. And volumes can happen only when there is consistency of approval and speed of approval. So definitely in the long run, this will benefit.
By going online, BMC has definitely taken the right step in minimizing human intervention. This is going to benefit both developer as well as consumer. However, the key thing to look out for would be whether BMC is able to implement whatever it has proposed without any major hiccups. In Mumbai, Ashwini Priolkar, NDTV.